Here's a tour of the Mooresville Road rail crossing in Belmina, Alabama. These signals were installed around 2016, replacing a pair of older Safetran signals by the 2000s or something. Probably early 2000s. The old bell was a Safetran Type 2 mechanical bell. One of the signals were reused at Derrick Street back in Huntsville. Yeah. I first saw these signals at Safetran bases, Siemens skate mechanisms, Safetran 12-inch incandescent lights, and we got a Siemens electronic bell with low pitch. For some reason, this signal actually has a pinnacle. I've never seen a pinnacle on a newer signal. It's pretty nice to see. That pinnacle is probably reused or something. Well, we got a pinnacle instead of using a cap. Right, there's the wheel case. I think that's the previous. I believe that's also the wheel case for the previous signals that used to be here. So yeah, that's the tour of the Mooresville Road rail crossing in Belmina, Alabama. And even this is a boring city. All that over and out. Not so take cars away. Over.